Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are here at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, and I'm stoked to show you this because this is the all-new Tacoma, right? The 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This truck was a long time coming for a redesign and we have one here, so let's talk a little bit about it. This one is pretty awesome. I mean, look at this one. I like the bright color. You got the off-road stuff going on. You know, everybody loves the TRD Pro, but I tell you what, let's talk about the powertrain in the new Tacomas. All of the new Tacomas that you can buy have the 2.4 liter four-cylinder motor in them. But the different range of power that you can get, there's three different ones that you can get. So if you get just the base, you're at 228 horsepower. You can go up to 278, which is what this one has. But then you can get the iForce Max, which adds the hybrid system. Now that gets you all the way up to 326 horsepower and over 450 foot-pounds of torque. That is awesome for a Tacoma. Now, the other thing that's really awesome here about the powertrain is you can still get a 6-speed manual transmission in this vehicle. So your choices are 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual, although that hybrid Max that I just talked about does not come in the manual transmission. That's automatic only. But let's let you look at the styling of this new Tacoma a little bit more. This is really good looking. The TRD Pros are always awesome because, you know, they sit up nice and high, they have big tires, and they look really tough. And you can always count on Toyota to have really cool colors that they offer for the Tacoma. But I tell you what, they've really improved a lot of the creature comforts in here as well. We are not getting inside of this one today, but they've got a digital gauge cluster. You can get a large screen for your infotainment as well, but you can get a digital gauge cluster, a small one that's about 7 inches. You can get one that's over 12 inches, and that is pretty awesome. But again, I'm just really excited that you can get that manual transmission. But so what do you think about a truck like this that spent so much time in its previous iteration and is known and beloved so much by its fans? What do you think about the new changes? Because I think that this thing is going to be pretty awesome, and I'm excited for everybody to start seeing them on the road and seeing how capable these things really are. But the new 2024 Toyota Tacoma is pretty darn sharp from where I am sitting. So anyway, again, we are at the Detroit Auto Show. We are checking out a lot of awesome vehicles here today. This one is a personal favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next review.